Despite the problems associated with volcanic areas, people are still attracted to these areas. They're explaining this for 5 marks. Then question B, we are going to state 3 intrusive volcanic landforms and explain them. Okay. Now the answer plan for this question will be as follows. Question A reads, despite the problems associated with volcanic areas, people are still attracted there. Now, indirectly, they want you to give the importance of volcanic activities, of volcanic eruption. So the first importance of volcanic activity is that when mountains erupt, volcanic dust that comes out from the volcano constitute very fertile soils. That is good for agriculture. Number 2, when mountains erupt, they serve as touristic sites. Number 3, when active mountains emit very good sources of drinkable water, that is water that is naturally purified in between layers of rocks. Number 4, volcanic areas have very good and favorable climatic conditions, and volcanic activities also provide rocks that can be used for construction. Now, question B reads that bring out any 3 intrusive volcanic landforms and explain them. Intrusive, you start by telling the examiner, intrusive volcanic landforms are those features that are formed within the mountain during an eruption. There are many of them in number, but the question requires you to bring out only 3. The first one that we'll be describing is silt. Silt, we say that near horizontal sheets of igneous rocks that are formed when magma rise and cut along the bedding planes of a sedimentary rock. An example of a silt is a great wind silt in England. Number 2 is a falcolate. Falcolates are lens-shaped mass of igneous rocks that are formed when magma cools and solidifies at the base of the syncline and at the top of the anticline. Number 3, you have batholiths. Batholiths are the biggest types of intrusive volcanic landforms, and are dome-shaped mass of intrusion that sometimes form the roots